how to create Webtoon account. So if you want to create Webtoon account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply make sure that you've installed the application. So open up your Webtoon application. After opening, now if you want to create a Webtoon account, then you can continue with your email, or you can also just tap on email login and then tap on sign up. Once you tap on sign up, it will take you to the create section. Now from here, you'll be able to create your Webtoon account. So first you need to enter your email address. After that, enter the password or create a password, and now again retype your password. After that, go with nickname and add a nickname, and after that tap on sign up. Now tap on confirm. Now go back, open up your mail, make sure that you've logged into the same mail account, and here you will receive the confirmation email to verify. So you just need simply click on the mail and you need to verify. After that, just enter your email address and the password that you've just used while creating. But before logging in, you need to go with the verification process. So wait for the mail, and once you've received the mail, tap on verify your email, tap on get started. Now tap on continue with email, enter your email and your password, tap on login, and that's it. You've been logged into your account. So that's how you can create Webtoon account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.